What's up, everybody? It's Kevin here with Good Earth Water Gardens, and today we are in the village of Loch Lloyd, Missouri, starting a massive pond renovation. We are transitioning now into our upper part of our waterfalls, and we're just going to go ahead and work our way up onto this hillside here. We've got some big, beautiful rocks coming down. We've got our machine in place. Our liner is all prepped and ready to go. It's time to start strapping some rocks and building this waterfall. This is Jordan's excited face.
Dude, it was leg day yesterday. My legs hurt so bad.
We are finishing with a little bit of our dirt work and grading and just getting some of the outcropping rocks set and finalized, and then we will be finally off this hillside and just cleaning up and wrapping up the rest of the things down below that we need to take care of and getting everything back to normal around here so we can finally get out of here and move on to something new and exciting. Alas, we are finally done. Everything is all wrapped up, we are cleaned up, and we are finally ready to get out of here. It has been an awesome experience and just a one-of-a-kind water feature. Just a real treat working on something like this. But enough of me talking. I'm gonna go ahead and flip you guys around, show you what we've got going on here. Well, I did it again. I've been very neglectful. I've been very neglectful at pulling out this camera and showing you guys what we have going on and closing out the day and all the transitions. It's just, we've really been pushing to try and get everything done here, and sometimes your focus is just in other places. So, how you feel about drawing the short straw there, Tran?
Not so good at all.
Tran's not too happy, Jordan.
Oh, you know it. You record that?
And me? I never go to the gym. I hate the gym. You'll never catch me dead there.
You got trained to pick up bigger rocks.
No, I have a machine so I can pick up bigger rocks. Up there, that thing will lift rocks way bigger than you can lift.
Hey, when there's a day that the machine, they're gonna be like, yo, Tran man. I'll be like, what's up? Pick this rock up. I got you.